how to delete your Betway account or how to close your Betway account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can go ahead and then delete your Betway account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now open the Betway app on your smartphone or visit betway.com and sign into your account by entering the necessary credentials. Then you have to tap on the menu icon and then navigate to the responsible gaming section under the player account section. Now scroll down and then click on the close account button to delete your Betway account. So as you can see right over here, this is from the app or the website. It's very easy. The other way you can do is to delete your Betway account by submitting the tickets. So you can launch a web browser on your PC and head to the Betway support page, for which I will leave a direct link down in the description box, and you can submit a ticket window and it will open up. Now enter your contact name and your email address in the required field, and on the subject box type request to delete my account. If you want to, then write the reason in the description box and attach the file, which is really optional by the way, and you can just tap on submit to raise a ticket. And once your account has been deleted, you will get a confirmation mail from the Betway support team. The last way and the third way to delete our Betway account is through the email. So on your device, just open the email account associated with your Betway account, and on the top left side panel, just go to the compose section. Now this could vary if you're on iPhone and iOS, or if you're on Android, or if you're using on a web browser or a Mac or anywhere else. You just have to type to request to delete my account in the subject section, just the same way as you went ahead and then created a ticket earlier. So write an email including your username, your phone number, your email address, and other information related to your Betway account. Then you can go ahead and then compose an email and then send it to support@betway.com. I'll also make sure to leave their contact email down below, so you can go ahead and copy paste that if you have trouble finding it. And finally, just tap on the send button. That's all it takes to delete your Betway account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.